I pray for the legislation that says the weapons were designed specifically to be in a war zone, and they're more effective in ground fire than on a hunting ground, should not belong in the hands of civilians. I pray for the day where the people who criticize this march by saying that we're just kids realize they're right. We are just kids, and we were still just kids when we were hiding in our classrooms, wondering this is the day we're going to die. The Second Amendment is a right that belongs to every American. It guarantees the right to own and use a firearm within the confines of the law. But we also have another right, one that is declared unalienable by the Declaration of Independence and inherent with the Virginia Declaration of Rights. That's the right to life. I pray that one day this right is recognized too. Thank you.
What is power? Is power the way we can shoot a gun, or is power the way we stand together? Most people standing in front of me right now would say it's how we stand together. Then there's me, not knowing what power is, for the various of reasons. Because nowadays, as you can see for yourself on the news, there are more gun-related crimes than people graduated from high school or even college. I don't understand why it's easier for a teen, not even an adult, but a teen, to get a gun and commit a crime, but it's so hard to get our own people off the street. I don't want a lot of things, and some people may feel the same way, but I'm just a 42-year-old with a strong heart and a voice. I can't make much of change alone. But with the community, we can make changes to benefit and rehabilitate the world. Not everyone can be a visionary, but everyone can see a vision. My vision for this community, for the society, is that we stand together for what's right and we make changes.
I want to tell you, you have already made a massive difference. You have already made a massive difference. And you know the story. Since the Newtown shooting, it's been Charleston in a church, or Las Vegas at a concert, or Orlando, Florida at a nightclub, and now Parkland, Florida at an elementary school. Again and again and again, the crimes that are on the front page in the evening news, or the shootings in Richmond or Chicago or rural Virginia, or kids coming across weapons and killing each other by accident, or people committing suicide. And yet Congress and the General Assembly of not just this state but other states too has a hard time finding a way to do anything because of the power of gun manufacturers and then NRA leadership. But they've never had to come up against high schoolers before. Thank you for challenging us. Thank you for challenging us. Don't go away. Stay at it. Keep marching. Keep protesting until we can find a way to keep our communities safe.
Are dying every single day, right? And legislation, they're not changing. They're trying to get new policies and things like that, but they're not actually going for the straight problem. We had to cut it from its roots and take down politicians who think that guns are not the problem.
Because this is such an important issue, especially since me as a high school student, because of all the shootings that have happened in high schools lately, that our school could be next, or anyone else could be next, really. And I came out here because I feel that we need change, and I feel this is an important issue that I had to come out here and stand up for.
I don't think we should have to be afraid to go to school. That's something I'm passionate about, and I don't think that teachers